What's up guys? Today we are going to be working on the E30 once again. I'm going to be going through and basically redoing all the bodywork that we did when we first built this car a couple years ago. And so to show you guys, here's the front fender and you can see all the little imperfections in there. And also right here, it rubbed quite a bit when it was at full lock at Spirit Peaks, so it got really hot here and you can actually see it burnt. It actually burnt the primer and then started peeling off and is now starting to slowly die, and we want to stop that. All the fenders have little imperfections that I want to fix in the creases and especially in the back part behind, like just behind the fender flare is a very noticeable spot, so I want to make sure that that's as flat as it can be. Alright guys, so the fender is ready to get the filler. And for the filler, we're not actually going to use any body filler. We're going to be using a glazing putty, and we're going to be using a 2K glazing putty. So there's two parts to it. There's a hardener, and then there's like your, you know, just the main putty. They do make a single stage that just comes in like a tube like this, but this stuff works a hell of a lot better. These fenders are pretty good, actually. After looking them over again and after sanding them, the filler primer is actually pretty thick on this stuff. So it actually filled quite a bit once I sanded it all down. So I think that this stuff should do the trick. And for the people who don't know, glazing putty is like a, it's like mayonnaise, but Bondo. Alright. Okay. I got the knots. Man, come on. I got the Not So primer on the car, and yeah, now I'm gonna let this dry. Then I'm gonna sand it down, see how it looks, and we'll move on from there. Hey guys, so I went ahead and put glazing putty on the rest of the fenders because the front fender turned out really good with just a single layer. So I've got the passenger side as well as the driver's side is already sanded down in the front, and then the back has the filler on it. Alright guys, so I got a little bit ahead of myself. It's been a really busy day, and I went ahead and got all these guys sanded down, all these fenders. This is the passenger side, here's the driver's side, and with Bondo on the car it always looks like crap, so it's like woo, it's straight. Like, you can't tell, it's metal and like 4 different colors. Alright, so next thing we gotta do is, I don't know what the next thing we have to do is.
I love you, would you love me?
Oh no. Alright guys, well, Schwab and I are sitting in here looking at the E30. Dad took the sanding blocks in his car, so we can't really do any sanding on the E30, and we wanted to finish the video today. We're going to go over the sheet metal with etching primer, and then next E30 video we will be painting the car. All of the exposed metal on the car has been sealed up now, so we can do our final little sanding bits and we can sand down the rest of the old primer. We still need to go over the whole car with 400 grit, and then we'll tape it off and we'll be shooting it in the next video that you guys see. Bodywork's done, and we're ready to get the E30 like done, for real done.
Yeah.
I'm excited. How you feeling, Schwab?
Yeah, dude, I'm psyched. Hopefully we skid it, and I want to see it skid again.
Yeah.
That'd be sick. I want to get some really good pictures of it, you know.
Yeah, before it goes away.
Yep. Before she gone.
She gone.
She gone.